you all. It's good to see you all. And today's a little bit, it's not going to be a discussion of anything particular, because I just actually wanted to come out and just check out the area. And I haven't been to this particular area in Swanage, and so I thought, do you know what, I haven't come down this path or this particular bit, so I thought I'll come and have a look. So yeah, sometimes you're going to practice what you preach. I've always said many times before about looking at the area that's around you. So today, that's what I'm doing, practicing what I preach. Alright, so where am I? Well, there's a place called Spyway Barn. It's in Langton, and a bit of a footpath there. That's where I am. First off, let me apologise, because when I say about checking out the area, I've actually already checked out the area. Because came for a walk up here with the daughter the other day, and I did a video as well, which you've probably seen, which is the last video ago, maybe, and it was about things that catch your eye. Well, this tree caught my eye and walking, so the first one is of this particular tree. Real nice and simple actually, this one is, and like the tree, which is it's like upper left, got a path leading in from the lower right hand side. You've got this rock that's just to the lower right. Horizon's like, also said the tree line in the background, like bushes and stuff, that's a bit further away, are on that lower third, acting a bit like a horizon. I say it's nothing like wow or anything like this, but I don't know, just for me it's just sort of like British countryside, you know, at its best type thing. You know, it's one of them sort of just real nice and simple. And yeah, we are F11, 15th of a second, and I probably could talk about this at a future date, so subscribe for that if you want to hear me talking about this one. But auto ISO, yeah. Wander around. That's how we did come up here. We didn't go too far, and so I am still sort of like looking around, to be honest, to see if there's anything that catches my eye. And good thing to do. I'll say I'm practicing what I preach. I'll say, especially with if you're near countryside, it's always good to take that walk around. Because let's face it, I mean, we've got some beautiful countrysides in the UK. Absolutely fantastic. Some stunning views and scenery and greenery, and oh, do you know what? That looks pretty nice. Something always catches your eye. And sometimes it's plain and simple, and the sun's... I didn't want to do sunrise, but I wanted to get up early to do these, purely because of the tone, the colours and everything that you get from that sunrise. It's clear. I mean, yet again, the weather app was totally wrong, but I think I may have found my second one of the day. So I'm trying to be a little bit more creative on this one. So we've obviously got the grass that's in front, which you can't see too much. It does make it look a little bit cluttered, I think. We've got the horizon, we've got the downs over there, the lovely, beautiful hillsides. Really are. Walked up those many, many times. they sort of like meet in the middle. I've got the sun is literally it's like in the right hand side of the photo. I'm going to attempt to do a starburst on this one. So I've ramped that aperture, really close it down. So I've ramped it right up. I think we're on f18 and we're on 25th of a second. Same again, I've left it on auto ISO. Walking around for a bit has really caught my eye, and that's where I started. I was quite high up, or high-ish up, and now I've started to walk and down. I'm starting to lose visuals, so I'm going to head back and head another way. Well, there are some nice subjects and stuff around here, but there's nothing, things have caught my eye, but spend a bit of time walking, I haven't been able to do much with it. It's a shame because, there's a lovely field and a lovely view from here. There's like this field, it's just like a big mess. Yeah, I'll keep on walking because beautiful morning. Not too sure if you can hear me very well, but it is a bit breezy. But as always, sorry about the breeze. Thanks for joining me on this little adventure, guys. Hope you found it useful, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and stay safe. I will see you soon.